Hi, my name's Andy. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be telling you a few reasons why I like riding the folding bike, and hopefully you'll be able to decide if folding bikes are right for you. There are two main reasons why you would consider buying a folding bike. Space is a premium, or you need to transport the bike often. So if you answered yes to either of these things, then a folding bike may be the perfect transport solution for you. If you live in a small space such as a van or a sailboat, a folding bike is the perfect solution. It doesn't take up much space once it's folded down, and it's fairly easy to maneuver through small spaces. Folding bikes work really well in big cities, not only taking them on and off public transport easily and folding them for storage, you can also use them to save money on car parking. You can't go past a folding bike for practicality. It's easy to store, it's fun to ride, and it's a lot faster than walking around a big city. Folding bikes are perfect for a secondary transport solution. If you already own a full-size bike, it's worthwhile having a folding bike as well. It's just a bit easier to move around and store, and you'll find that you'll use it as much as you use the full-size bike. There are three main wheel sizes for folding bikes: 16-inch wheels, 20-inch wheels, and 26-inch wheels. The 16-inch wheel folding bikes are best used for commuting and short trips around a city. I prefer to ride the 20-inch folding bike, which I find is a good compromise between speed, comfort, and practicality. Also on offer are 26-inch folding bikes, which use the same size wheels as a standard mountain bike. Some of the more popular folding bike brands include Tern and Brompton. If you want to buy new, I'll put some links down below. If you're like me and you want to buy secondhand, check my channel for more videos on tips for buying secondhand folding bikes. If you're new to cycling and you're thinking of buying a folding bike, I would suggest buying a couple of accessories to go along with it. Two things you'll probably need are a lock and a helmet. I would also suggest buying a small bike toolkit and puncture repair kit so that you can service and repair issues with your bicycle on the road. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. I've got plenty more on my channel when it comes to folding bikes, folding bike tours, and other useful tips. Thanks a lot for watching. My name's Andy, and I'll see you in the next episode.